The concept is pandas today. Pandas. And this is another way of storing and processing the information like like NumPy. In NumPy is also is a library which is used to store and process the information. Process the information. In NumPy directly we are representing the data using one-dimensional arrays, one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, and we can use multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array. Okay. Here, just like this one, pandas we are using. Pandas also we are representing the data. One-dimensional array is representing using series. Two-dimensional arrays, we are representing using the data frames. Three-dimensional arrays we are representing using panel. But of course, multi-dimensional array, which is not required. Mainly, we concentrate on series as well as data frames. Series is a class. By using this, we can create the object by calling the constructor. In the same way, to construct the two-dimensional array, data frame is a class. By calling the data frame constructor, we can create the object. We can create the object. That is. So here, now how can we code this? How can we code? Same, just like NumPy. First we are taking one list, import. Same like NumPy, we need to download and install that pandas also. Import pandas. See here, I'm just taking as PD. Sir, what is this as? Is just like alias name. Alias name. So instead of using this pandas completely, simply you can use this PD. Now what we are doing here, we are taking that list. Simply to say, my list I am taking with some values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some values we are taking. How can we construct the series object? There NumPy means what? Just NumPy dot array is there. In the same way here, pandas PD dot. Of course, pandas dot series. Yes, capital letter is very, very important. By passing this my list as an input, it will return the series object. We are just collecting that my series. Before that, I'll do one thing. I'll show you by creating one empty series. One empty series I'm creating. My series equal to PD dot series object I'm creating. I'm just printing that my series. Just empty series it will return. Like this, empty. And we didn't mention the type also. No? We didn't mention the type. So by default, it is taking that type is object. No, sir, I'm just creating that series with the list. From my list, we are creating the series. And we are printing. It's the same story. But look at this. Whenever you are printing, the only difference is what? Along with the values, it will show the index also. These are the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. but every value is represented with the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. With the index, it is writing. With the index, it is writing. And simply we are accessing using their index. And you know that using that for loop as usual. For suppose each element in my series, and we are printing that x. Printing that x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values it is printing. Sir, particular value I just want to display is the same story. You can use that my series of with the help of their index. Index starts with 0. Na? At second location, what is the value? 3 is there. That 3 element is printing. 3 element. Right? Easily we can add the series, easily we can add like concatenation, all other operations. Simply we can do. Here, whenever you are representing this, sir, I'm passing this value directly. I'm passing these values directly and just printing that my series 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not only this, along with this, you can represent the index also. Sir, index, I just want to give. Index, I just want to give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Normally, index starting with 0, na? Now, index, suppose whenever I am representing, please start my index with 1. Then it is not starting with 0. The values I want to give like A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. Of course, is a strings. So how can you represent with the single quotes? With the single quote. Like this. Just run it. Look at this. Index is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Values. Sir, suppose I am giving values, not all. Single value I am giving. We can call it as a scalar object. Scalar. What is that scalar object? The single value is representing with all these indexes. With all these indices, you can represent. So by default, if you don't give the series, it automatically starts with a 0. No, I want to give the series. Yes, you can specify that index. Index values you can specify. This is the one. Is a one-dimensional. Sir, if I want to maintain the two-dimensional, is called data frame. First, let me represent the data frame using that nested list. Nested list. Look at this. 10, 20, 30. Next one, 40, 50, 60. Next one, 70, 80, 90. This is not a series. You must use data frame by passing that nested list. It will give that frame. Suppose my data frame. Simply I am printing that. Simply I am printing that frame. Just run it. Look at this. Indexes not only in a horizontal, in vertical also it is represented. Got it? Is the one. Not only in a horizontal, in vertical case also it is represented. This is the way. The next one is, see, we are constructing the frame using that nested list. The same thing you can construct with the dictionary also. So normally, how can we represent the dictionary? My dictionary Dictionary is a key value pairs. Key value pairs. For example, I am taking that person, name and age. Person, name and age. Person, name and age. Suppose I'm taking like this. Now I'm constructing from my dictionary. From my dictionary, we are constructing and printing. Look at this. What is this? You need to represent what is comes under rows and what is comes under columns. So that's not the correct way of representing. Sir, then how can we represent? What is that value? What is that name? Instead of this, the same thing, you need to represent like this. Column name is a name column. Okay. What are the values of names? A list of values represent, comma. What is the name of the column? Age. What is the column name? Age. Represent the list. This is the way. This is the way. It's the same we are writing. Same we are writing. Ages. We are taking like this. Now, when you are executing this, look at this. See what will happen. Here, what are we are giving here? Name as well as age will become the columns. Look at this. Name is a column. Age is a column. So total how many records are there? Records as usual is representing with the index starting with the 0. Index starting with the 0. That is. No, sir, particular value I want to display. Okay, my frame of using the name. Using the name. Only name I want to print means what? Look at this. Data frame of name. Name is what? A column name. Na? The column name is representing all values. All values. Sir, I need only this one. First location value. Simply here 1. From the name column 1. Got it? This is the one. Okay. Now, here it is. We are representing up to here. Data frame is there. Data frame representing. Okay. Now what will happen here? Here we are writing like this. Data frame, my frame of, we are writing like this. Gender equal to representing first one male, second one female, third one male. We are writing like this. And simply we are printing this data. Simply we are printing. Look at this. Now, if you want to add new column, directly you can represent the column name as well as set of values. Simply you can add. Sir, I just want to display after adding. I just want to display only filtering the data. Filtering the data. Look at this. From my frame, this is very, very important. From my frame, you need to display that my frame age. I'm representing age. My frame age is greater than 25. Print only the values which are from 25. See my frame of age. In age column, who is having greater than 27, 25? Only 27 is there. Only the 27 only. See, what is this? Complete result is a 27. Complete result is a 27. The 27 only will display. The 27 only will display. This is simply to say filtering the data. Simply to say filtering the data. Got it? Right. Next one. Hope you got it. Now, the next one is, for example, multiple data frames easily you can merge. Multiple data frames easily we can edge. All are predefined only. For example, here it is we are writing. This is we are simply writing is a data one, or better D1, and next one we are writing is a D2. We are writing is a D2. Here suppose two values. Here also just two values. Two values we are giving. Two values we are giving. Okay. Like this. That multiple values. This is the first one. And this is the second one. Got it? Right? Next. Or it is expecting something. Now simply, first we are creating that data frame one using that first data. Next one is a data frame two using that second data. Using the second data. And simply, how can we merge means what? Like from pandas, concat one method is there. Concat. Okay. We are passing simply df1 and df2. df1 and df2. We collect into df3 and printing that df3. But whenever you are printing this, all the values collecting from df1 and df2 takes positional argument, but two are given. Only one it is taking. You are giving the two. What is that? You have to provide these two as a list. Always you need to provide as one. Provide as one. But see, look at this, how these things merge. First index is 0101. Got it? Second index is also 0101. So then what we have to do is actually here we need to use this one, ignore index. Is it true? By ignoring the index, same index you should not take. Now look at this, observe. What is that index? 0, 1, 2, 3. Like this it is taking. Sir, I just want to sort this df3. I want to make sort. So sorted data frame is equal to df3 dot sort sort values is there. Sort values using what? By all these are predefined, remember, by which column? By age column you need to sort. So finally, we are printing that sorted DF. Using the age, we are going to sort. Look at that. Index is as it is, it will not change. Only just the sorted DF we are printing. Sorted DF we are printing. That is, the data frame is the way of representing the data in two-dimensional format. In a two-dimensional format. There's actually so many things are there. Sir, for example, here it is, name is there. Here also same name is there. Here is also same name is there. Data exactly same. Like here it is also 1919. Age is also 19. Now when you run normally, 2 times it is printing with the same value. Na? Sir, I don't need duplicates actually. I don't need duplicates. Simply here it is df3 dot. You can use a drop duplicates one method is there. Drop duplicates. Okay, just here it is removed or unique df simply. Proper names we are using. So whenever you are printing that one, data frame is there. See now look at this. Of course we didn't sort now. Sort gone and duplicates. I mean duplicates also gone. Duplicates also gone. That is the way. Okay. Directly unique values option is also there. Sir, I just want to collect from unique from the series simply. All are predefined only. That's why, for example, SC series is equal to PD dot series. I'm just passing that list directly 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 2 like this are there. Okay. Now how to remove duplicates? Easy. Just that name is a sorry. Here it is. SCA dot unique option is there. That directly you can print. For everything, there is a predefined function. Just it will remove all the duplicates. Only unique values it will print. No, sir, I don't need unique. I need count. I need count. Which one is counting how many times? Total count this is. How many times that value is there? How many times that value is there? No, not a direct count. I need a value counts. Each value how many times repeated? Look at this 1 6 times, 3 5 times, 2 4 times, 4 1 time, 4 1 time, like this. Okay, so many options. You can drop the columns, you can rename the columns, you can reset the columns. Finally, main thing is what? Complete CSV file. I'll explain that. CSV, comma separated values file is there. It is just like representing the data in Excel sheet, just like Excel sheet only. That Excel sheet, how can we convert into Pandas? Pandas data frame. That is the thing. So what I'll do in the tomorrow class, first of all, how to create the file, how to read the file. In the same way, how to create CSV file, how to read CSV file. Then that CSV file, how can we convert into that Pandas data frame? That is exactly what we are using in a real time, storing the information in the CSV file, and whenever it is required, that convert into that Pandas data frame and using processing the data. That I'll explain in the next class. Okay. Then we will come back to the DS linked list. You can leave.